the most meaningful analysis that I did from a dollar value. At Figma, we had our self-serve tier. We launched our sales tier. The only way to buy that product, to buy that SKU, was to talk to a sales rep. With Figma, you can imagine there's such a long tail of users, of customers that should be able to self-serve into that tier. And Prabir and I were just like fighting tooth and nail with the product team to prioritize building that self-serve flow. Like, it sounds simple, but it was just very hard to build that ability into the product to migrate an account into our enterprise tier. And so I did this analysis, and it was like, because of our ARR reporting was so strong, I think because we understood so well how the business performed, how cohorts perform, is we basically said like, hey, every month that you push back the launch of this is the revenue that you're foregoing. This is the opportunity cost. I remember being in the room and convincing the head of product, like, okay, we have to do this now. And it was just really cool to be like, wow, I just like ran a bunch of SQL queries. I knew they were right. I knew the underlying data was right. And I was able to sit in the room and be like, this is right. This is what you're passing up. And without kind of the foundation there, like, that would have been impossible. It really empowered us to be that strategic thinkers within Figma that, like, Prabir wanted us to be.